space enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an epic journey through our very own cosmic neighborhood, the solar system. From the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy plains of Neptune, each planet has a unique story to tell. So, buckle up, because our grand tour is about to begin. First stop, Mercury, the smallest and innermost planet. Imagine a world where one day lasts longer than its year. That's Mercury for you. Its surface is a tale of extremes, reaching blistering temperatures of 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and plummeting to minus 290 at night. Covered in craters, it looks a lot like our moon, but don't be fooled. Deep within its core lies a massive, dense iron heart, making it surprisingly heavy for its size. It's a tiny titan, constantly battling the sun's immense gravity. Next, we cruise over to Venus, Earth's so-called twin. While similar in size and structure, Venus is anything but hospitable. It's the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury. With surface temperatures that can melt lead. Why so hot? A runaway greenhouse effect. It's thick. Toxic atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, which traps heat like a suffocating blanket. The atmospheric pressure on its surface is over 90 times that of Earth's equivalent to being a kilometer deep in our ocean. Venus is a cautionary tale of what can happen when a planet's climate goes horribly wrong. And now, we arrive at our home, the beautiful blue marble, Earth. The third rock from the sun. What makes Earth so special? Liquid water, a protective atmosphere, and a perfect distance from the sun to Goldilocks zone. These conditions have allowed for the incredible diversity of life we see all around us. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, Earth is a dynamic and living world. It's the only place we know of that harbors life, a precious oasis in the vastness of space. Let's remember to take good care of it. Let's continue our journey outward to the fourth planet, Mars. The red planet has fascinated humanity for centuries. Its reddish hue comes from iron oxide, or rust. On its surface, Mars is a world of incredible geological features, including Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, and Vales Marineris, a canyon system that dwarfs our Grand Canyon. We send rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance to explore its dusty plains, searching for signs of past life. Evidence suggests that billions of years ago, Mars was a warmer, wetter world with rivers and lakes. Could life have once existed there? That's one of the biggest questions scientists are trying to answer. Now we must cross the Asteroid Belt, a vast region between Mars and Jupiter filled with rocky debris left over from the formation of the solar system. It's not as crowded as you see in movies, but it's a significant boundary separating the inner, rocky planets from the outer gas giants. And speaking of giants, our next stop is the king of the planets, Jupiter. This behemoth is so massive that all the other planets in our solar system could fit inside it. It's a gas giant, meaning it has no solid surface to stand on. Its atmosphere is a swirling masterpiece of colorful clouds and storms, the most famous of which is the Great Red Spotted Gigantic Storm that has been raging for centuries and is larger than Earth itself. Jupiter also has a faint ring system and dozens of moons, including the four Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Europa, with its subsurface ocean, is a prime candidate in the search for life beyond Earth. Moving on, we encounter the jewel of the solar system, Saturn. Famous for its stunning and complex ring system, Saturn is another gas giant, second in size only to Jupiter. Those rings aren't solid. They're made of billions of icy particles, ranging in size from tiny dust grains to mountain-sized chunks. Like Jupiter, Saturn spins rapidly, causing it to bulge at the equator. It also boasts a fascinating collection of moons. Titan, its largest moon, is unique for having a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane and ethane on its surface. The Cassini mission gave us breathtaking views and data, revealing Saturn to be a world of incredible beauty and mystery. Our journey takes us further into the cold, distant reaches of the solar system to our seventh planet, Uranus. This ice giant is an oddball. It rotates on its side, with its axis tilted almost parallel to its orbit. Scientists think a massive collision long ago might have knocked it over. This extreme tilt means it experiences the most bizarre seasons, with each pole getting 42 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness. Uranus is a pale blue-green color due to methane in its atmosphere, and it has a faint ring system and a family of moons named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Finally, we reached the last official planet of our solar system, Neptune. Another ice giant, Neptune is the windiest planet, with supersonic winds whipping through its deep blue atmosphere. These winds are the fastest in the solar system, reaching speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour. Like Jupiter, Neptune has a great dark spot, a massive storm system that comes and goes. Discovered through mathematical prediction rather than direct observation, Neptune's existence was confirmed by its gravitational pull on Uranus. It's a dark, cold, and incredibly dynamic world, orbiting the sun once every 165 years. And what about Pluto? For decades, Pluto was our ninth planet. But in 2006, it was reclassified as a dwarf planet. What a change! The discovery of other objects in the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune, showed that Pluto wasn't unique. To be a planet, an object must orbit the sun, be nearly round, and have cleared its orbital path of other debris. Pluto meets the first two criteria, but not the third. Though it's no longer a major planet, the New Horizons mission revealed Pluto as a complex and fascinating world with ice mountains, nitrogen glaciers, and a thin atmosphere. So there you have it, a grand tour of the planets of our solar system. Each one is a unique world with its own secrets and wonders. From the fiery inferno of Venus to the frozen frontier of Neptune, our solar system is a place of incredible diversity and beauty. Exploring these worlds helps us understand our own planet's past, present, and future. What an amazing neighborhood we live in! Thanks so much for joining us on this cosmic adventure. Which planet is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations of our amazing universe. See you next time!